Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can check the favorite section of your Adobe Firefly account. So let's get started. If you have added any kind of your favorites image in the favorite section, you can also view that. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the Adobe account, and after that we have to go to the favorite section. As you can see, you don't have any favorite images yet. So let's click on the start generating images. We have to click on that. So I'm going to generate a random image. Let's click on the generate, and then we can add that image into our favorite section. So let's see how that image is going. We have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see now the image is generated. If you want to add this in your favorite section, you can also do that. So as you can see now the image is generated, you have to add this into your favorite section, and after that it will be in your favorite section. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use the favorite section and how you can add your images in the favorite section. So see you guys in the next video.